So today I'm going to change out the air filter of this Volkswagen Jetta TDI 2-liter 2011. This is the box that houses the air filter, so I was just opening this up. But before I do that, I'm just going to give it a quick vacuum just to get rid of some of the dust and debris that's around here, because the cleaner this is, the cleaner it can be inside when I open it up. So as we've said, we're just going to open up this box. It has T25 torque screws, and there are 8 of them. One down there, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 back there. These screws, as you can see, they stay in the box, so you don't take them fully out. Once you've got them done, you can lift up the whole thing like that, and your air filter is just going to lift straight out. Let's see what it looks like. It looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and replace it anyway, because I do this every 30,000 just to make sure. And there's no wrong way for this to go in. You just make sure it's seated all the way around, and then you just put your torque screws back in and you're done. Of course, these don't have to be super tight. You just, snug them up right.